starting over?
Yeah, it's already recording. I'm gonna shake. Ooh, we candy!
Costa, do something. Okay.
I will make him do something. I will make him do something.
Oh my God.
Santa, I want a pony, and I want Thomas to get skinnier. Actually, no. Better yet, I want Santa. I want that bigger. I want world peace. She fat and stuff like him. Okay? You got a whole year to get me it, buddy. So I suggest I see the under my tree. Wait.
That's a good girl. Next.
Santa's a drug dealer. Alright?
What? Santa's pimping, man. What are you talking
Even think
about?
about it.
A doll and a toy train.
Oh God. Oh, are they still a ball train?
It's a blunt.
Do you know what it is?
Alright, Chico.
I do know what it is. Up your butt with a coconut.
Wait, what time is it?
I have no clue.
Oh, wait. Hold on.
Ew.
It feels white dust. It's called snow.
I think you're getting
It's almost 12 o'clock.
I don't know how.
When's lunch in? When does lunch in? Anybody?
In like 5 minutes.
Act all dramatic about it.
You know what else Santa deals?
That was supposed to
Hey, Anthony, you know what else Santa deals? Yellow snow.
I think it is.
All heroin.
My candy. Justin's looking at my candy.
Would you like
So is the camera. Camera's checking you out, Jasmine. Jasmine.
Yeah.
Some
Jasmine.
impersonation
The camera's checking you out.
Guys zoom in certain areas. Yeah.
What do you love you do? I'd rather not get to talk. Mom.
Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now, do you want a cracker?
So you want a cracker, Jasmine? Jasmine, if you say you want a cracker, I'll buy you coffee tomorrow.
I want a cracker.
Okay, I have to buy you a
You should not say
Huh?
When does lunch end?
It ends when it ends.
When my foot's halfway down your throat.
So is my cock.
Don't try that.
You said my foot is halfway down your throat.
will not accept that. What?
Yeah, well.
Cock. They won't accept cock. They'll accept fuck. No.
Cock is a male rooster.
They will not accept.
Yeah, a cock is a chicken. They can't prove I was talking about a penis.
I thought they were feathers.
He's wearing leather. He's wearing leather.
You want to hear most annoying sound in the world?
Mel Gibson. Ooh, I want to do it.
Oh my God.
Here you go.
What are you doing?
I'm hoping Costa will absorb it. Don't do it, Anthony. I have a headache.
It goes through the soul.
Do it. I have a banshee well.
We will eat your soul.
Oh, you're not going to do it?
Breaking the sound barrier would be amazing. Faster than...
I break the sound barrier with sound!
Hey.
How can you break the sound barrier with sound when you're...